ClearWave Air is a truly innovative air purification product that was developed after many years of intense research. What makes the ClearWave Air system so unique is its ability to destroy airborne germs. In fact, in independent clinical trials conducted by Intertek, one of the world's largest testing companies, the ClearWave Air technology was proven to remove more than 99% of airborne mold. Mold, you may recognize, is one of the most difficult microorganisms to destroy. Yet our patented, highly advanced, ultraviolet light-based purification approach destroyed 100% of the mold that entered the device. By comparison, we have not found a single competitive product that has performed even close to our efficacy level, and our testing has included popular brand names such as Auric and Sharper Image. With ClearWave Air, an entire new level of air purity is now achievable. As we like to say with ClearWave Air, your air is reborn and you have the freedom to breathe once again. We expect that the significance of our achievement in air purification will be fairly obvious to the consumer, our target demographic. Virtually everyone knows that viruses, such as the flu and the common cold, are spread by airborne germs. In fact, there are many common illnesses spread by airborne germs, including chickenpox, pneumonia, meningitis, measles, and whooping cough. Airborne germs are also responsible for the onset of certain allergies and asthmas. We believe that families with newborns and young children, as well as families with elderly persons, will desire to remove the germs from the air that these populations breathe, as they are most susceptible to illness. Furthermore, most consumers understand the nuisance odor and health implications of mold. Mold is the most ubiquitous microorganism in our air environments. Perhaps it is fortunate that we can often see, or at least smell mold when it is present. The inhalation of mold, like viruses and bacteria, can lead to many serious health problems. Again, clinically, we know that the ClearWave Air device is a true mold buster. At this point, you might be wondering how it is that the ClearWave Air product is so effective at destroying germs, such as mold, bacteria, and viruses. Well, the heart of the technology is our highly intense ultraviolet light chamber, which we affectionately call the kill chamber. Inside the device, the UV intensity is so great, it's akin to passing too close to the sun. Here, the germs are literally overexposed to ultraviolet light that causes irreversible damage to their DNA and RNA, leaving them for dead. Yes, it is true that there are many air purification products on the market that utilize ultraviolet light technology. However, those products simply do not provide sufficient exposure to the UV light to cause significant damage to the germs that pass through them, despite the fact that those devices are often 3, 4, and even 5 times the size and weight of the ClearWave Air device. The team at ClearWave Air not only discovered how to create the highly intense UV environment in a small envelope, but we also discovered how to do it in an elegant product format. In head-to-head tests, our technology left the air at least 27 times more pure than the leading competitors. The United States Patent Office certainly recognizes our novel technology in having awarded us multiple patents, oftentimes in only a few short months after having filed our initial applications. In short, ClearWave Air has the world's leading edge technology for airborne germ destruction. There's one more aspect about competitive air treatment products that is noteworthy. Many devices attempt to remove airborne particles by simple filtration. If you have followed articles by Consumer Reports and others, these devices generally do little to nothing. The reason has to do with the fact that the germs are extraordinarily small, typically only 1 micron in diameter. Even the best HEPA filters cannot capture them. And even when they do, the filter simply serves as a breeding ground until the consumer removes the filter, only to have many of those germs become airborne again. Given the functionality of the ClearWave Air device, it should be more obvious as to where this product provides value to the end customer. In our homes, for example, we envision the product being used in virtually any room. Family rooms, living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, particularly nurseries, bathrooms, au pair suites, and basements are all obvious candidate locations for the use of the product. Our compact design makes it much more plausible to utilize multiple devices within the home versus other air purifying products that are usually purchased as one very large unattractive device that sits in the corner of a single room. Our product approach allows for decentralizing air purification. That is, placing the product where you need it most. ClearWave Air is also suitable for offices or any business location where multiple persons are expected to congregate. It is in the office environment where most people contract an illness and bring it home to their families. For families that own a boat or recreational vehicle, ClearWave Air is ideal for protecting their investment. Owing to the mold-busting capabilities, a ClearWave Air device should be placed in every RV or boat to prevent the nucleation of mold. In tests performed by ClearWave Air, we reduced the mold counts to 0 in a highly contaminated 40-foot RV that had been in storage for months and had a distinct smell of mold when you entered it. Within a 1-week period, the air in the RV had no odor and was certainly more healthy for its occupants. As you can see, the ClearWave Air product has many potential markets. However, we understand the need to focus our efforts in a few vertical marketing channels initially. In the short term, we have developed a plan to market the ClearWave Air product to naturopaths. Our thinking behind this strategy is that this particular user group is less price sensitive, requires less education on the problem being addressed, and would provide valuable testimonials and endorsements for other markets going forward. Our initial campaign will commence in May using a combination of physical mail, email, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter campaigns. We have several pieces of marketing collateral completed or in development, including a consumer-facing video. We're also investigating the use of independent rep groups that serve the health profession to reach our demographic as well. We believe the future of ClearWave Air is very bright. We have an excellent value proposition for our intended target markets, and we have assembled an outstanding team of advisors to support our efforts. From an intellectual property standpoint, our advisor is James Cleary, a partner in the law firm of Mintz-Levin, a 500-lawyer firm with multiple locations across the US and the UK. Jim has been an advisor since the company's inception and has helped us build a patent fence around our technology. From a small business practices standpoint, our advisor is Bill Eigner, a partner in Procopio, a leading California law firm. Like Jim, Bill has been an advisor since the start of ClearWave Air, and Bill provides counsel on small business corporate structure. From a technical standpoint, we have 2 advisors, Professor Bill Sponhock from Johns Hopkins University and Professor Chuck Gerba from the University of Arizona. Bill is a world-leading expert in air pollution science in the College of Environmental Health at Johns Hopkins, while Chuck is a leading environmental microbiologist. Both technical advisors have been with us for several years and unselfishly provide us counsel on all aspects of air pollution and disease transmission whenever we call on them. Importantly, we also have an excellent electronic-savvy manufacturing partner, Digital Concepts Incorporated, a St. Louis, Missouri-based company with their own factories in both Mexico and China that produce high-end electronics for the health and fitness industry. Digital Concepts, or DCI as they are known, design, develop, and manufacture the displays on today's most sophisticated fitness equipment used all around the world. Having been a small company themselves at one point in time, They understand our need for our early stage manufacturing support and have agreed to utilize their expertise in providing the most reliable product possible. We selected DCI because in the health fitness world in which they routinely operate, product failure is a real potential liability. As such, they perform extensive testing throughout the entire manufacturing process. In fact, 100% of all ClearWave Air products are operated and tested for 16 to 24 hours before they are packaged for shipment to us. DCI's factory location near Nuevo Ciudad, coupled with their own warehouse in El Paso, Texas, across the border, makes the import of products seamless for ClearWave Air. We hope you agree that ClearWave Air is poised to address the myriad of opportunities before us and fulfill our mission of giving everyone the freedom to breathe once again.